Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes, I'm good, thank you. I'm really so appreciated that you given a valuable sense for me to practice English with you. It's really so awesome
Great.
feeling, really.
What is your language?
Yeah. Sorry.
What language do you speak?
I do speak Bangla.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You from Brazil?
Yes, I'm from Brazil.
So you speak like Portuguese?
Yes, I speak Portuguese.
Yeah.
I hear. Let me search this. How do you say this in English? Wait a minute.
Okay, for sure.
Grilo. Cricket. I can hear a cricket.
Cricket?
Yeah.
We do play the very good cricket. Bangladesh is a very good team.
Oh, I see. What is the language again? It's Ba. Your language.
Bangla, Bangla.
Bangla.
Yeah.
Is this language? Cricket.
Yeah.
Cricket. No.
Cricket, you know what?
I don't know.
Jojo, listen to me. Jojo, listen to me. Bangla language is a mixed language. We use
Ah,
so cricket is a English language, but we use cricket directly in our language.
oh, I understand. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So,
Nice.
okay, how old are you?
I'm 25. 25. How old are you?
25. Okay. What do you think how old I am?
33?
29. 29.
29?
Uh,
Oh, okay.
29.
29.
Yeah, okay.
19.
What do you do for life?
I'm an actress. What do you do for life?
Actress?
Yes.
Did you
Wait,
have
wait.
any movie?
Yeah, but here in Brazil.
Oh, here in your Brazil.
I
So,
made a
so you will give me a link how I can get your movie in your Brazil. No problem. Okay. So I will try to watch your movie. Do you have any Instagram or YouTube channel or Facebook page?
I, I don't have Instagram, but I think you can watch my movie. I will search if they have like a YouTube link that
Yeah.
I can send for
Yeah.
you to watch. It's very nice.
Oh, for sure. I will do what it is. So, how interesting. I'm just talking to a actress. Beautiful lady.
Yeah,
how many movies already you worked in?
three movies.
What was your movement in the movie?
My movement,
Yeah.
my character.
Oh, character. Okay, perfect. I'm really so appreciated for you. And you know what? First of all, when we started the PK, I understand that you might be involved in movie industry or actress quality because your hairstyle is looks like so beautiful and unique. That's uncompatible to others. So I understand it is so beautiful hairstyle.
Thank, thank you so much. Yeah, it's kind of a common hair, and I used to straighten it. But I'm very glad I stopped and just accepted my natural hair.
Yeah, okay,
You're
good.
talking.
Yeah. Did you ever been to any other country?
No, never, never.
Why
I've never
not?
been to any other
Why not?
money, but one day I will go.
Yeah, one day you will be very wealthy as you are involved in movie industry. So first you try to visit in Bangladesh.
Okay, okay,
To I will help you as an interpreter. Okay, I will help you as a language. But
okay.
yeah,
Done.
yeah. You know what? The Brazil is a very good team for football. I started the watching the football of Brazil from Ronaldinho. You know the Ronaldinho? Yeah,
Yes, I know.
Yeah,
We
Ronaldinho
yeah.
is my favorite player.
Yeah, I think my favorite was Pele.
Yeah. Okay. So, how can I say I'm really losing everything to ask any question to you? Are you single?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my goodness! Why you are still single? You should have a beautiful boyfriend, as you are so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Are you still involved in study, or you left the study for making the movie?
I finished my study. Now I am just working.
Okay, so thank you so much, Juju. Have a good day, and I hope you will have a brighter future. What the way you are doing, that's perfect, no problem. And your interface is really so beautiful and stunning looking. Everybody will get attracted to watch your movie because you have a beautiful interface. So don't worry. Have a good day
Thank,
and have a brighter future. Okay.
thank you so much. Have a great night.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.